Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make 桂花翅炒蛋. Basically, it means fried egg, fried omelette, yeah? Fried omelette with shark's fin, but of course we are not using the real shark's fin. I don't encourage my followers to eat shark's fin, yeah? If there's no demand, there won't be any supply. So, we are going to use glass noodle. So, to replace shark fin. So I have a bit of glass noodle here, soaked under hot water for at least about 10 minutes. This is already half cooked. Then of course we need the egg. I have about 5 pieces of egg here. You can use 4 to 5, up to you. This dish is actually very easy. So, and then we have some ingredients inside. Some, a bit of, this is not even half of the red carrot, julienne, meaning cut into thin slices. This is imitation crab meat, cut into thin slices. This is about 1 piece of shiitake mushroom, soaked until it is softened and cut into thin slices. This is spring onion, cut into thin slices also. A little bit of garlic. Then we will need some chicken stock, yeah, because I don't like to use chicken powder, therefore I will use chicken stock. If you can search for my chicken stock video, yeah, I always got chicken stock in my fridge. And then this is a bit of cornstarch solution. And we need a bit of fish sauce, salt, and also white pepper. So we're going to start with seasoning the egg a little bit, and also we want to make the egg a little bit more smoother, yeah? So how do we make it smoother? First of all, we are going to add just probably about 2 tablespoons of chicken stock here. 2 to 3 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Later, we will also add it towards the end. Then, not forgetting our cornstarch solution. This is probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons as well. This will definitely make the egg smoother. And a little bit of salt, fine salt, just a little bit. Few dashes of white pepper. And my favorite fish sauce, just a little bit, to give it some umami flavor. Beat it up. Right? We're going to stir fry the ingredient now. Alright, it is recommended to use a non-stick wok for this particular dish because you want the egg to be as smooth as possible. We will start by giving a little bit of oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then you want to saute the garlic. I remember I used to only be able to eat this dish during Chinese New Year those days. Chinese weddings. Yeah, Chinese weddings those days. It's always coming together with the first, they call it len pan. Is it cold plate or what do you call that? Entree. Yeah, entree. I love it. Every time I saw it, I will be very excited. Right? Then we can actually put in the shiitake mushroom. Stir fry a bit, saute a bit. It's actually very easy. We are going to saute the ingredient, take it out, and then fry the egg, and then combine these 2 things together. Carrot. Super fragrant. Imitation crab meat. Of course, if you got real crab meat, that's even better. And our tong fen, yeah, glass noodle. And I'm going to give it a little bit of fish sauce here. Okay, done. Just a little bit. So this is, I would say, about 80 or 80% cooked. Then I'm going to set it aside. Yeah, take it out. Let's continue. Put in some oil. Now we can put a bit more oil, it's alright. 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then we are going to put in the egg. You can use medium heated fire to slowly cook this egg. Later, halfway, I will actually throw it the ingredient that we just fried. Super fragrant. Very fast. Alright, now we can actually add in the ingredient we sauteed just now and mix everything up. My egg is actually quite big, I just noticed. So I have a lot of egg. Perhaps if you are using a large egg, you can just put about 4 eggs, it's more than enough. I got 5 eggs here. It's okay. Okay. And then we are going to put in some chicken stock. This chicken stock will actually help to combine the egg together with the sauté ingredient just now, and also to give it some deeper flavor, yeah. And also to make the egg smoother. Like I mentioned, this egg is supposed to be smooth and a bit fluffy, as what you can see right now. And this, put in the green onion, spring onion. Yeah, 4 eggs more than enough if your egg is very big. Alright, once you get fried everything becoming dry up, then it's ready. You want to see the chicken stock to be nicely absorbed, fully absorbed by the egg and ingredient. See, now it's very dry already. And just going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. And a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit. Drop, okay. A drop or two. Give it a few stir and it's done. You're going to put it into a bowl. Yeah, going to put it into a bowl first, then only to transfer it into a plate. So I've dished it out, put it onto a bowl first. Get ready a plate at the side, put it on top, and flip it over. Right. Oh, so nice. Now I know how to make this. Alright, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.